My name is Suchra. I'm from Bangalore. I was not supposed to for extracurricular activities. Because of that, I lost my self confidence and I had a fear to face the people. I lost the self confidence in myself. After 40 years, I joined the modeling field. Faced a challenge like a communicating problem, feeling very shy, and I was very nervous in front of the people. I was just praying the universe to give a good mentor to take a right direction, where to go and how to learn and how to transform myself. With the God grace, Keerthan sir, I met you and I joined the CI family.
Hello everyone, I am Rashmi. I am working in HDFC Bank Limited, but my passion is different. My mission is to be happy and spread the happiness. I was searching a mentor who will guide me to grow step by step, and luckily I got the opportunity in CI family. Story I would like to share. I have tried to grow in digitally. Past also I have tried to build my career in LinkedIn, but I was thinking how I will grow, and they have deleted my account. But after joining CIE community, again I have started the LinkedIn journey, and from zero I have started, and right now I have crossed 300 connection, and every day I am thinking whatever is happening inside me I can share with people. After joining CI community, daily I am joining the TSP, and actually from that only I have got the clarity what I will do and how I will do and where I will start my journey. And there are so many things in my mind to share with the people. So I need a mentor, and I'm so happy and lucky that I have got a beautiful community where each and every people are learning and supporting each other to grow.
Hello everyone, I am Vina. I am from Hyderabad. I was introverted and shy person, so I'm not mingle with others. Only few people are there as a best friends. So I could not express my feelings with others. That is my position. So it means because of that I missed lot of chances. It means in career. It means because of lack of communication, I missed many chances in my career. So that's why I joined in this community to improve my communication skills. So after joining this community, I started attending DSP session without missing. So that is remarkable changes in my life, because before earlier I have lot of pressure in my mind and lot of confusion thoughts, negative thoughts always running in my mind. So after started attending DSP sessions, like I have some clarity and peace of mind in my life. And also what I learned from the DSP, it is first of all you should love and trust and connecting with yourself first. So and next deeply connecting with universe. So whenever you are connecting with universe, you can ask to the universe whatever you have desire, whatever you have burning desire, you can ask to the universe with the faith and trust. Universe will give it to you back, because it means for me, I asked to the universe I want to join in the diamond group. So I have lot of struggles to the join in this diamond group, but I asked to the universe with the faith and trust. It happened now. That's why thanks to the universe first of all. And next other changes are, other transformations are, so I connected 30 one-to-one connections and one-to-many connections, and also I shared 14 LinkedIn posts, and I completed superhero program and high profile mastery, and also I gave game presentation, and this is my second public speech in this community. So mainly in my life, my unforgettable moment, cherished moment is I did podcast with my mother. That I never forgot that, because I don't know about YouTube, that I don't know about social media, but I posted one post in I did podcast with my mother. That is the major achievement in my life. So these are all my transformation journey. I want to share one thing, that is I joined in this diamond group because of So, three things, like it means I don't have communication skills. First of all, that's why I joined in the VIP group. After that, I joined in this diamond group because I want to first thing is I want to become financial independent. So I want for that I joined, and also I want to get success in all areas of life. That is communication, health, relationship, money, and career. And next, I want to learn multiple skills. So, and also I want to inspire more people. I'm ready to explore every opportunity. It means that helps me become the best version of myself. That's why I joined in the diamond group.
I'm Supiya Shinde. I'm from Pune, Maharashtra. I'm a bronze member in the CI community, and it's been 2 weeks that I have started my journey. I'm a working professional with having 3 years of experience in a pharma field. I'm a project manager by profession and a full-time learner by choice. The main reason behind joining the CI community was because I faced challenges handling global clients due to a language and communication barrier, while I was able to handle projects dealing with the Indian clients, but because of language familiarity. But I struggled with connecting with the global clients and putting my thoughts into my words. So even during global meetings, I would face a situational introvertness, and ultimately that has resulted in the global projects being allotted to some other employee over me. So this feeling of being replaced by someone has put me in the zone of low confidence, and that was so miserable. So one day while scrolling Instagram, I came across an advertisement of the Keerthan sir, and I decided to join the CI community. I learned so much from Keerthan sir from the day one. So the first part is like I got to know the importance of trusting yourself, the mentors, the process, and especially the universe. I realized the perfection is a myth and progress is the key. So I have done 10 one-to-one communication and 2 round robin session. Though one-to-one communication, I faced strangers and learned how to deal with them and understand their mentality. Though the strangers and I were divided by the boundaries, but we are united by the CI community. Additionally, through the round robin sessions, I gained confidence. I could communicate effectively, and I got to know the power of expressions. So now I feel confident enough to say that I can handle any situation with the global client.
I'm Pusha. I'm from Andhra, and I have completed BTech Computer Science and Engineering. And present, I'm looking for jobs. I used to be introverted person since childhood. Afraid to speak with the people face to face, and I comfortable only in my family members. I never speak even with my relatives in my own language, Telugu. And I never speak with the relatives and neighbors also. We have 4 members in a family. I comfortable only with that people. I don't have much friends in college. I only communicated with the school members only. When I was in 12th standard, I faced one challenge. I'm academically good at academics. I got a first prize in 12th standard. So I got a prize. At that situation, my faculty asked me to give a speech about my studies, how I got that mark. But I afraid to speak in front of the many people. I don't know what to speak. I have many thoughts to express, but I feel too fear to speak with the people. So I just got down from the stage. After that, I decided I want to be a good communicator in the language. So I tried many ways, but nothing worked for me. After that, few days back, one month back, I joined CI community, and I did 5 only, one-to-one communication. But that two times I connected to the people, and I did 4 round robin communication and 1 video and 4 written communication.